Quickcept. Concepts that click, quick.
Hello students. Today we will learn about cell theory. Scientists found that all living organisms are made of cells. Plants, animals, and humans are all made of cells. This idea is called the cell theory. Cell theory says three things. All living organisms are made of one or more cells. The cell is the basic unit of structure and function. And all cells arise from pre-existing cells. For example, when our skin gets injured, new skin cells are formed from old cells. This helps the wound heal. Normal cells grow and divide in a controlled way. They also die when they are no longer needed. For example, old body cells are replaced by new cells. When normal cells touch nearby cells, they stop dividing. This is called contact inhibition. But cancer cells do not follow this control. They keep dividing again and again. This uncontrolled division can form tumours. So students, today we learnt about cell theory, controlled cell growth, contact inhibition, and tumour formation.